Ukona skuru ya secondary ya Maro Hesinde me South Mugirango hasi county ya Kisii makori nigakwanira kuonia kwa yuri bono kubo maiso hasi sigi yokurwa n'ibikore biga bunenchiremo yukubisiria
togoteithia weboringa barinda abana babo ande baba guide kabarenka ande baba advice buya bakoromokeria bacho yakonya chingachiro bose
magaga yaye sonko nigabwata ko bokonyi wichi computer asaborke kwa skuru ya secondary ya Maro Hesinde gukonya hasi gukina ibirengo bya masomo na kubakwanira igoro yobuya bokoromokia
kitia bidii na msome sana na mpate alama zenu mzuri, matokeo mbele itakuwa mazuri. You will always succeed in life if you work hard and you get your good grades. So that is the one message that I want to leave to you today, that it does not matter your circumstances, does not matter where you come from, it does not matter who you are, it does not matter who your parents are. As long as you work hard, all of you, any of you can make it in life and you can become successful, and I am a living example of that success.
You have done great and you have made something good to this school. So ile kitu mimi naweza sema ni kwamba uwe na hilo, uendelee kushughulikia sisi, na unajua unapoendelea kushughulika Mungu pia anaona. Kuna vile binadamu analipa, lakini Mungu pia anajua vile anasawatisha.
Asense mwende nigagikerie ibikore bigutumikwa bubege siasa egati yabasaye omentabuna chiburaburu nigati igisababu echirire oguturbanirwa ko murembe hasi chinsemo ao
Yomondo tigaye gulibaga akare akonera abaninchi ona tandre ngoti mono chisera chia monte bingo ngamore chikuru onero tegene ngamale on Matiang'i ko muhatoro president Matiang'i nere Jubilee candidate presidential candidate yeto nainche naongo tarana Fredo kengo Matiang'i alene kerege tunikia mucherere liso inche ngoko yo Matiang'i otore nere unyo ko unyo naenda kero tolikeretiga Matiang'i nero ko presidential candidate umomrodi tamanyetia sagini Fred was a kifaru yes. Liba ko ta Fred ya magina. Ikona algo sabagaki totige. Ekiagara nere tubuate.
Nkurupatirega tasene kiagatembe kurega se county ya Kisii literane nguru ko Daniel Untiri.